Good morning, students. In this period, I am going to solve some examples of exercise 2.3. Question number 1 is example: divide 3 minus x divide 3 minus x plus 2x squared by 2 minus x and verify the division algorithm verify the division. To divide 3 minus x plus 2x square by 2 minus x, we write the terms in descending order. At first we write the terms in descending order. X minus 2 2x squared minus x plus 3. To write the terms in descending order, 3 minus x plus 2x squared is 2x squared minus x plus 3, and 2 minus x, we write minus x plus 2. Here, if we multiply minus x by minus 2x, then we get plus 2x squared. So we divide 2x squared minus x, we write minus 2x in quotient, 2x squared minus 4x. On subtracting, 3x plus 3. Again, we divide minus x plus 2 by minus 3. To get plus 3x, we divide minus by minus 3. The result is 3x minus 6. On subtracting from 3x plus 3, 9. Here remainder is 9. To verify division algorithm, verification, dividend is equal to division into quotient plus remainder. Here division is equal to minus x plus 2 into quotient. Quotient is minus 2x minus 3. A plus remainder is equal to 9. Solving 2x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 4x is equal to minus x plus 3. So it is verified it is verified that 2x square minus x plus 3 is dividend. So it is verified that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By division algorithm, it is verified that divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So in this method, we can verify a division by using division algorithm. And one more example I solve to understand. One more example I am going to solve. The second example is, what real number should be subtracted from the polynomial? What real number should be subtracted from the polynomial 3x square 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9 so that 3x minus 2 divides it exactly. What real number should be subtracted from the polynomial 3x cube plus 10x square minus 4x plus 9 so that 3x minus 2 divides it exactly? बहुपद 3x क्यूब प्लस 10x स्क्वायर माइनस 14x प्लस 9 से कौन सी वास्तविक संख्या घटाई जाए कि 3x माइनस 2 से भाग देने पर ये पूरा कट जाए? What real number should be subtracted from the polynomial 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9 so that 3x minus 2 divides it exactly? Here both terms of polynomial are in order, so we do not change its order and write in this way: 3x minus 2, we divide 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9 by 3x minus 2. Here dividend is 3x cube and divisor is 3x minus 2. So multiplying 3x by x square, we get 3x cube minus 2x square. On subtracting, remainder is 12x square minus 14x. Again we divide 12x square minus 4x by 3x minus 2. If we multiply 3x by 4x, we get 12x square minus 8x. Again subtracting, remainder is minus 6x, and we write plus 9. After that we multiply 3x by minus 2 minus 6x plus 4. On subtracting, we get a remainder as 5. So required number to be subtracted. So the required number should be subtracted. If we subtract 5 from the polynomial 3x cube plus 10x square minus 4x plus 9, it divides it exactly. So the required number should be subtracted is equal to 5. We are asked that what real number should be subtracted from the polynomial 3x cube plus 10x square minus 4x plus 9, so that 3x minus 2 divides it exactly. To divide exactly, remainder must be 0, but here the remainder is 5. So if we subtract 5 from the given polynomial 3x cube plus 10x square minus 4x plus 9, the remainder will be 0. So the required number should be subtracted 5. In this method, you can divide any real number by a polynomial, and if you have to ask the verification of this, then you multiply 3x minus 2 by x square plus 4x minus 2 and add remainder. Then you will get 3x2 plus 10x square minus 4x plus 9. But in this question, it is not given that according to division algorithm for division, so you will try to solve the examples of this exercise 2.3. I have taken 2 examples not from NCERT book, so you will not be confused that from where this question is given. Method you can solve the examples of exercise 2.3, and in next class I will try to clear the problems of exercise 2.3 in next class. Thank you.